Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to test the oil switch, and this is where I have an issue, and I probably should replace the oil switch when I had it apart because I always seem to have to overfill it just a little bit. And by doing that, it won't get the low oil shutdown warning and turn off the engine. So basically, with the engine upside down with no oil in it, I should have no continuity. And with the engine flipped over on the opposite side, I should have continuity. So holding the ground is two wires, yellow and green, right here. So upside down, it should be infinity, but instead I got 7.5 ohms. I don't know if I could maybe the float is stuck or something. Tap it, see if that makes a difference. Oh, there we go. Now we're good. Tapped it. Resistance is good. So now with it upside down, resistance should be 0. But I got 0.6. We're going to retest this once we have oil in it and compare it with those numbers. So now that everything is assembled, we're going to do the final test for the oil level. And that's with this 6-prong plug right here. You see the yellow wire, and then on the back side there's that green wire in the middle. So basically that pin and that pin, if you touch those together with oil, you should have no continuity. If you got full oil in there and you have continuity, then there's a good chance that that switch is filled, and that's why you have a no start condition. So I'm going to turn my meter on. I can zero it out for good practice. But won't really matter for this test, because in this test we just need continuity or no continuity. So yellow wire right there, green wire right there, no continuity, low oil switch is good. Of course, once again, touch the leads together and we have continuity. Now that concludes the video of testing the low oil switch. As I just said, if you still have a no start condition, that's not your problem. There's many more videos in my playlist that cover a no start condition in a Honda EU2000i. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I'll see you in the next one.